Hi, this is Adriana, and this is about the training on how you become fearless and sell your way to the life of your dreams. Did you know that the life of your dreams can only be achieved when you sell others to run with you on the vision that you have in your mind? The problem is that most people allow anxiety and fear to destroy their dreams. So how do you overcome the fear, the anxiety, the stress of selling your way to the life of your dreams? The most successful people in the world have a sales vision they have been sharing with others for years with no fear of failure, no fear of people not believing in them. But how in the world did they overcome the fear of sharing the sales vision that made their dream life become a reality? So great news for you is that in these trainings, you will be learning the steps to overcome your fear of sharing your sales vision and begin the journey of becoming a fearless sales machine. In these trainings, you will learn from over 100 years of marketing and sales experience. So you will be learning from National Sales Director Emeritus Gillian Ortega, who was born and raised in Ireland and came to the United States in 1979 with only $20 in her pocket. She overcame her fear of selling and went on to create a $60 million business, which directly impacted and elevated over 100,000 people around the world. You will also hear from Aisha Love, who was born and raised in Singapore until she was 21 years old. She also moved to the United States. She overcame her fear of selling and turned her dreams into a $100 million real estate empire. And these trainings are hosted by Vincent Ortega Jr., who is Gillian Ortega's son. And early on in his childhood, he caught everything. He learned everything since he was a baby. And he's never had any fear. He doesn't know what fear is. And he has gone on to sell over $100 million in products in his businesses online. So becoming fearless is the #1 trait that all successful leaders, coaches, mentors, and business owners have. And on these trainings, these multimillionaires will share their secrets on how you can overcome fear. So just register for the training. So fear, anxiety, and stress will not hold you back from the dream life that you always desire. So just go to the link below, just click on it, and it will take you to the Sales Vision page. Thank you for watching.